Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about is GoodRx.com legit? GoodRx review for prescription discounts. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. GoodRx.com is a popular platform that helps consumers save money on prescription medications by offering coupons and comparing pharmacy prices. But is GoodRx legit, and is it safe to use? Here's what you need to know. Is GoodRx legit? Yes, GoodRx is a legitimate company that partners with pharmacies across the US to provide discounts on prescription drugs. It is not an online pharmacy, but rather a cost-saving tool that helps users find the lowest prices at local and online pharmacies. How GoodRx works. Search for your medication. Enter the drug name to compare prices. Choose the best discount. Select a coupon or discount card for savings. Show at the pharmacy. Present the GoodRx coupon at checkout to receive a lower price. Pros of GoodRx. Free to use. No membership required to access discounts. Works at major pharmacies. Accepted at CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and more. Saves money. Can provide up to 80% off prescription prices. GoodRx Gold membership. Offers even lower prices for a monthly fee. Cons of GoodRx. Not insurance. Cannot be combined with health insurance or Medicare. Prices vary. Discounts depend on the pharmacy and location. Personal data concerns. Some users worry about privacy when using the service. GoodRx.com has a Trustpilot rating of 4.4 from 2,668 reviews, with users praising its prescription discounts and ease of use. Many customers report significant savings at major pharmacies. However, some express concerns about pricing variations and data privacy. Check reviews to see if GoodRx is right for you. Should you use GoodRx? GoodRx is a trusted and legitimate way to save on prescriptions. While it does not replace insurance, it can be a great alternative for uninsured individuals or those with high copays. Always compare prices to ensure you're getting the best deal on your medications. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.